Okay, yeah, I'm gonna eat cookies. Okay. It's yummy. So yummy.
So yummy. Can you tell them what's inside your bag?
So there's like cookie dough, churro, and and chocolate chip, and lemon cheese, and a toast, and a M&Ms.
So which one is your favorite? Everything is your favorite in there?
Yeah.
How was it? Does it really taste really good? So what's the next one? Please subscribe.
Please subscribe and like and follow and share.